Hello, hello mga kapwa kong api, average Pinoy investor here, back again with another portfolio update as of April 18, 2026. Honestly, I've been very busy for the past few weeks and days because of course, trabajo and other sidelines and stuff. Pero here we are doing another portfolio update. So essentially, what I did was I optimized my portfolio. As you could see, mas konti na lang na asset classes ang iniinvestan ko. So I essentially sold majority of my holdings to other companies kasi nga I am overly diversified. I mean, honestly, that's one of the things I've learned in a hard way na kapag downtrend ang buong market and lahat ng assets mo is downtrend then medyo masakit siya tignan kasi pulang-pula and down lahat ng asset classes ko. So, even though I sold majority of my shares at a loss, meron din akong mga break-even as well as ang mga shares or stocks na may konting profit. But then, some of them have like 50 pesos na loss. Maximum ko, I believe, is 100, 200 pesos with the sales of some of my shares to other companies. But eventually, I sold them and then I reallocated to these major asset classes. So as you could see, 29%, almost 30% of my overall investment portfolio goes to a REIT. RCR as well has 8%. So essentially, I have around 28% sa REITs or property market ng Pilipinas. I also have investments in BPI and BDO, so I injected more into those two. I have a total of around 11 to 12% combined to those financial or bank institutions. When it comes to industrial naman, I invested in two. I have Maynilad, of course, one of I'm planning to make it my mainstay, and then JFC, which has a couple of news. Kasi yes, Jollibee Food Corporation, as you could see, hanapin natin yan. Kasi JFC has been down for the past couple of weeks. Nagko-consolidate siya. So essentially, what I am doing is I'm increasing my shares sa JFC or Jollibee Food Corporation. Kasi nga, if or once, it's not a matter of if, to be honest. It's a matter of when. Kasi nga, Jollibee Food Corporation has been increasingly, I mean, they are adapting, they are expanding their territory sa ibang bansa, hindi lang sa Pilipinas. So, right now, around 160 pesos ang chart. Let's check. Yeah, so as of now, as of yesterday, April 17th, ang share or ang market value ni Jollibee is 163 pesos and 60 cents. Not bad. It's pretty much going on a downtrend these past few weeks, which I mean, it's absolutely fine. This is a good opportunity for me para makabili pa ng mas maraming GFC. Video rin, as a matter of fact, has been down. Both of them are consolidating. And this is a good opportunity for me to get into these assets. Kasi nga I have large beliefs sa JFC, sa Jollibee Food Corporation. Kasi nga nag-acquire sila ng mga companies, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pero sa ibang bansa, nag-expand sila globally. So soon as, well, it's already starting, but as soon as matapos, as in matapos na yung gera sa Middle East, I would say natataas tong dalawang assets na to. So right now, those are, excuse me po, those are my reversal plays. So in my Dragonfly account, I'm down, or sorry, I'm up like 1% at the very least, but my overall investment in Dragonfly is down like 5 or more percent. Kasi again, I'm reinvesting my dividends. So karamihan ng dividends ko is naka-downtrend ngayon. But my capital still there, and I'm planning to increase pa this April, May, June. Tuloy-tuloy tayong mag-invest yan. Also, um, I remove my investments. Yung ALFM ko from G Funds, I transferred it to BPI Invest or to BPI directly, si ALFM. So, essentially, I'm planning to go with BPI na for my ALFM. When it comes to BPI din, I'm planning to get the BPI Wealth Builder. If you guys know about it, if you could suggest anything, please do not hesitate to comment it down below. Let me know what do you think about BPI Wealth. Kasi again, I'm planning to invest at least the minimum. Kasi I've been informed na pwede ka mag-invest initially ng 1,000 pesos and then a monthly reinvestment of 100 pesos would do. So again, I'm planning to get that as soon as I get more information. Of course, nire-research ko din naman yan. G-Funds naman, I am planning to get the Manulife uh, Global REIT Fund. So again, I'm still researching into those assets para pag nagkaroon na ako ng idea, nagkaroon na ako ng solid thesis, I would invest into them. Last but not the least, of course, crypto. So I've added 1,000 pesos in my crypto investment, and I am considering it as a dry powder for now. Hindi pa ako nag-i-invest masyado sa crypto, or I mean sa recent na tinop up ko. I'm planning to save it kasi I think there will be a downtrend before we go up. Sabi nga nila 2026 would be the real bull run. I mean, I hope they are right. If they're wrong, I'll continue accumulating. It's better for me to do that. So, check muna natin yung crypto market. Tama nga ba sila? As of now, yes, nasa uptrend tayo. Meron tayong mga assets na patuloy yung pagtaas, including si BTC. Um, I've seen people online stating na Bitcoin would be up by 80 to $90,000 in the next coming weeks. I've seen that in Ash Crypto's like technical analysis. Uh, ang sabi niya is BTC is attempting a major breakout. So a weekly close above $78 level means Bitcoin could pump 85K to 90K in the coming weeks. We hope he's right. But ibang thesis ko dito, I believe na bababa pa siya before we eventually go up pabalik sa 120, 113, possibly 150,000 US dollars in the next coming weeks. Why? Well, hindi pa kasi tapos yung gera sa Middle East. Plus, hindi pa officially napapasa ang Clarity Act. Well, we'll talk about that later. But check muna natin yung daily uh, events or daily trends pagdating sa crypto market. So, as of the day, medyo marami rin talagang pula eh. Pero, meron din tayong mga green. Sa week naman, wow, Rave is 1,024% up for the week. I'm not sure what Rave is, but good kapag nakasabay kayo dyan, kung nakasabay man kayo. But sa hours natin, nagko-consolidate or majority are on a downtrend na, including si Rave. That's just the hours. So hopefully, magkaroon na ng resolution yung sigalot sa Strait of Hormuz, which we have news, of course, about it. So, another thing coming from Ash Crypto is, well, bumili na naman si BlackRock ETF ng 284 million and 60,000 dollars worth of Bitcoin. So, unti-unti. May mga alam siguro to na hindi natin alam. Hopefully, tumaas na yung market. This could possibly be the signal na tuloy-tuloy na siya pataas. It's very bullish for everyone, especially mga tao sa crypto market. Kasi ang inaantay na lang technically are three things. And all three of those things will be coming this May, if I'm not mistaken. The first catalyst would be, syempre, pagtatapos ng gera sa Middle East. The second catalyst is si Clarity Act, which of course we'll talk about mamaya. And last but not the least, papalitan na si Jerome Powell sa uh, Fed, the Federal Reserve. So yun yung tatlong catalyst na sa tingin ko magpapa-bullish or makakapagpa-uptrend sa market ngayong May. But this April, this April is a good opportunity to get into the market. Especially me, I'm expecting a downtrend soon. So posibleng magkaroon tayo ng false move Monday na naman, which would give us more opportunity to invest into crypto assets na pinag-iinvesta natin. So, I will monitor, I'll stay tuned kung ano ang mangyayari. By the way, another update, we are closing in on our debts. So, unti-unti natin siyang nababayaran, unti-unti nakukumpleto yan. Mababawasan natin yan until maging debt-free tayo. But continuous pa rin yung investment natin. So, my strategy is minimal lang ang ini-invest ko. And then, majority of my money is going into debts at saka gastusin sa bahay. Yun lang yun, essentially. But we'll see. I'll check my strategies again in the near future kung kailangan ko ba magbago ng strategies. But here are other updates. So they are already reopening the Strait of Hormuz, which is good. But then may nakita rin akong report. So let's check and see itong sinabi ni Trump dito.
If you don't have a deal by Wednesday when the ceasefire ends, will you extend the ceasefire or will you start attacks again?
Maybe I won't extend it.
Okay.
But the blockade is going to remain. But maybe I won't extend it. So you have a blockade, and unfortunately we'll have to start dropping bombs again.
If you don't have a deal by Wednesday when the ceasefire ends, will you extend?
So, yun ang gusto ni Daddy Trump. Kapag wala pa ring resolusyon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung blockade. Pero they'll start bombing again kapag hindi pa rin nagkaroon ng resolusyon by April 22. So, ito si Iran, mukhang hindi rin sila magbaback out. Though, kinol na ni Trump yung bluff nila kasi nga, sabi nila kontrolado daw nila yung strait. Bakit nang si Trump ang nag-blockade, wala rin silang nagawa. So, we're hoping that's something na magiging maayos na yung sigalot. But here's another thing I saw. Galing naman to kay Cathy Wood, which is isa sa mga sikat na investors institutions. So Cathy Wood says 1 million Bitcoin timeline is accelerating, which I hope it is. Institutions aren't even fully in yet. Sabi niya nga. So let's check and see kung ano sabi ni Cathy Wood.
Your price target for Bitcoin is bull case north of 1 million US dollars. So if you had that bull case for more than 1 million USD Bitcoin, has your forecast timeline to reach that price now shortened?
Yes, that target, what we evolved in it was before the SEC gave us the green light. And I think that was a major milestone, and it has pulled forward the timeline. One thing I will say, right now, no wirehouse, so whether we're talking about Morgan Stanley or Merrill Lynch, B of A, or UBS or Wells Fargo, no platform has approved Bitcoin yet. So all of this price action has happened before they approve it. And so, we haven't even begun.
So, what's your timeline for 1 million USD Bitcoin now? And is there perhaps a price target beyond that now?
Yes, our target is above that. We've got a 2030 target. So
2030.
it's well above that. And with our new expectations for institutional involvement, the incremental price that we assume for institutions actually has more than doubled.
Wow. So they're expecting essentially $2 million by 2030. I hope that's true. Kasi I have a little bit of Bitcoin. Siyempre, continuous tayong peso cost average sa Bitcoin. So that's a good news. And then ito ay mga tuloy-tuloy na good news na. So let's check this out then. Ako lang ba? Wala talaga siyang video. Wala talaga. So, ang sabi ni Daddy Trump, Iran has agreed. Balik natin, sorry. Yan. Iran has agreed to never close the Strait of Hormuz again. It will no longer be used as a weapon against the world. President Donald J. Trump. So, open na. Never close ang Strait of Hormuz. But then again, tuloy pa rin ang blockade. And dahil dyan, syempre magkakaroon tayo ng rollback sa langis. Though, I'm hoping taasan naman nila yung rollback kasi ang kati talaga ng gasolina eh. So, let's check kung gaano kalaking rollback ang gagawin nila. So, every Tuesday sila nagro-rollback. So, we'll wait. Kasya pa naman siguro yung gasolina ko for, let's say, 1 day. 1 day's worth of travel. So, 22 ako magpapagasolina kung may rollback sila. So, sana umabot siya ng kahit 80 pesos man lang or 85. Okay na yun. With the current price of like 90 to some gas stations. So, let's check this out.
For diesel prices in the Philippines is expected next week as global oil prices ease on hopes of a peace deal between the U.S. and Iran. Meanwhile, the grid operator of the Philippines warns of power service interruptions as temperatures continue to rise this summer. Alvin El Chico reports.
Independent oil player Jetty Petroleum confirms another big-time price rollback for diesel on Tuesday. Based on the first 4 trading days in the world market, diesel prices are now down by more than 18 pesos per liter, while gasoline and kerosene prices are also cheaper by more than 3 pesos per liter compared
3 pesos lang. Let's check. Kasi tinanggal nila yung excise tax sa diesel, sa LPG and the other petroleum products. Sana pati sa gas. Oh. So mukhang malabo-labo pa yan. But again, good thing. We'll just wait for the news for the rollback. Let's check out ito namang Clarity Act. Kasi this is one of the greatest catalysts. Kasi Clarity Act would bring clarity sa crypto assets. Kung commodities ba sila or securities. Kasi kung may clear definition yung asset class na crypto, for sure mas maraming institutions na maglalagay ng pera nila dito. Actually, meron ng marami na namang institutions. Example, si BlackRock, si Strategy, sila Cathy Wood, and other people are already invested in crypto. Pero, this Clarity Act would bring more liquidity essentially sa crypto market. So, this is very bullish. So, let's check and see kung ano yung sinabi nito. Kasi I've seen this as well.
This per Politico, Tom Tillis basically saying that they are not going to release out the copy. They don't want to do it too early because they didn't want any landmines. So they're trying to get this into the markup stage. So the point is that this looks like there is a done deal on Clarity. And when you look at the pictures that I saw on Brad Garling.
Yes, we hope, we hope, we hope. Kasi technically si Ripple clear na sila Kasi nga natapos or natalo nila yung SEC sa kaso So it's one good thing. Also, nag-inform din pala si Solana, I think that was on Twitter, na XRP or wrapped XRP is already live in the Solana network, which again, good partnership. So, puro puro positive news, puro uh, excuse me, bullish catalysts, puro partnerships ang nire-release ni XRP. But then again, hindi pa rin kasi tumataas yung price niya. So, I'm not really sure if it is bullish or not for XRP, but we'll see. We'll see.
House's tweet, I had to wait a minute to make sure that this didn't get community noted for AI. And that, of course, is Haggerty right there. You can kind of see this, guys. This is crazy to see right there. Tim Scott, Patrick Witt, Bernie Moreno. I mean, these are the guys who are making the decisions right now on Clarity. And
so, projected ang rinig ko or ang mga nababasa ko online, ang sabi daw is hopefully by the end of April or start of May may implement yang Clarity Act. Well, parang saktong-sakto parang timing na timing Matatapos na yung gera ng May, tapos may Clarity Act na ng May. Tapos mawawala pa si Jerome Powell ng May. Saan pa? Pag hindi tumaas ang market, ewan ko na lang. Kayo guys, what do you guys think? Kasi we are expecting, we are hoping na matapos ng downtrend. May nabasa nga ako na like 23 months or was it 11 or 12 months after the start of the downtrend, mag-uptrend na ulit ang crypto market. So again, I'm hoping na 2026 nga ang start ng bull market. If I'm wrong, then again, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang PCA natin. Kayo guys, what do you guys think? Anong mga pinag-i-investan nyo ngayon? Please, please, palambing naman po ng konti. Pwede naman po tayong mag-like, mag-subscribe. Kahit di nyo na-share, please like the video and subscribe na rin po kayo as it helps the channel. It helps me a lot. Even though, yes, medyo inconsistent tayo sa pag-upload kasi nga medyo busy. I'm hoping that people who are watching are subscribed and please, please, please like the video. Again, this is your average Pinoy investor. Have a good one. Ciao, ciao.